Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review another makeup product, and today's video is about the Lakme Eyeconic Eyeliner. I make a lot of skincare reviews on my channel and sometimes other beauty related reviews. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Now coming back to this Lakme Eyeconic Eyeliner, the price of this product is 250 rupees for 4.5 grams of quantity. This product comes in an outer cardboard box like this, and the inner packaging looks like this. It comes in this tube form. This is how the applicator of this eyeliner looks like, and the applicator is very important in certain makeup products, especially eyeliners, because it gives you a lot of control, and applicator is the deciding factor as to how much control you would have over the application and how the actual eyeliner would turn out to be. These are all of the claims that they have mentioned about this product. They say that this is a waterproof formula. It stays for up to 24 hours. All of these things that they have mentioned on their website. I have tried the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal and I really love the overall formula of that Kajal. I used it for like many years and I really love and I still love it. I have sensitive eyes sometimes while application, all my eyes start watering and all. So it is not a problem with this Kajal and this eyeliner as well. Lakme eye-based products are really nice. Even if you have sensitive eyes, you can use these products because they work very well even on sensitive eyes. Next thing about the applicator, as I mentioned, the applicator is very nice. It's not super rigid also where you find it difficult to control and apply the liner, and it's not super flexible also where it becomes a bit difficult to draw a line or to draw a wing liner or any other shape that you desire. So the applicator is really nice. It gives enough control over the application. They also claim this eyeliner to give you 24 hours of stay, but I think that's a bit too long. But it does stay on throughout the day. Once you apply it, you can just forget about it. Even if your eyes are like oily, eyelids are oily, it still doesn't come off on its own, and it just stays put. It doesn't fade off and come off and smudge at all, just like their kajal. If you have tried their kajal, the formula is amazing. It doesn't smudge, stays put, and like towards the end of the day it might start fading off. I'm talking about the kajal, but this eyeliner, it doesn't come off. It just stays as it is. Because it is a waterproof formula and it stays put throughout the day, you need an oil-based cleanser to remove it. You can use any cleansing balm or cleansing oil to remove it, and it comes off quite easily and doesn't leave any trace or residue behind. Now, a problem with a lot of eyeliners, especially affordable eyeliners, is that they say it is matte, but then it ends up being a bit glossy and a bit shiny. And if you are a fan of matte eyeliners, then this is perfect. It is affordable as well, and it is matte. It gives matte finish even after drying up, and it just leaves a nice matte finish. So this is how the eyeliner looks like with makeup on the face, and I have also attached this video where you can see how this eyeliner looks like without makeup. So it does look nice even with and without makeup. Even if you don't apply any other makeup on your face and if you just apply this eyeliner, it gives a nice definition to the eyes and it looks really nice. As I mentioned, it even works for sensitive eyes. If your eyes water a lot while applying any kajal or eyeliner, it doesn't like create any sort of problem or smudging while application. Even with the kajal and with the eyeliner, it's the same. It does work on sensitive eyes. It won't cause any sort of irritation or any kind of discomfort. It just stays put. It doesn't, you don't feel like you have applied any eyeliner on the eyes. There's no discomfort, no irritation at all. So I highly recommend this eyeliner because of this great affordability, because of its great formula. It's a really nice product. That is all from my overall review of the Lakme Eyeconic Eyeliner. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe for more such beauty related reviews, and I do a lot of skincare on my channel, so you can check that out. I'll leave some links in the description box below for you. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.